Vishwajit Rane, you're a big liar, and you don't have anything provided for the patients, whether they are suspected COVID patients or patients who are tested positive. Everyone is in a very miserable state over here at GMC. And today my parents are witnessing it, and we are here trying to get them a bed, and there is no bed at GMC or no provision at all, even for the suspected cases. I am outside ward number 148. It's supposed to be a suspected COVID ward. My mom and dad are both in the same kind of category, which is suspecting of COVID. And to the sad reality that what Vishwajit Rane keeps saying, that everything is sorted out. There are no beds for the present patients right here. So no way that I'm going to keep my parents sleeping on the floor for the report. I've taken all the examinations, and since I'm just 10 minutes away from home, I'm taking them home right now. But this is the sad reality. All the best to all the Goans, because we have to survive this by ourselves. Shame on the government for such pathetic healthcare system. This is what it is, the reality. This is GMC. The doctors were amazing. Everyone was so helpful. Even the ward people, everyone was courteous. But the scene that the doctors also are going through is in a terrible condition. Terrible, terrible condition. God save our souls. And you all can see in the video what kind of hospital is this in GMC. Sad.